In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to change the handle on your sledgehammer. Alright, so we're going to start by removing the old busted up handle from the head of the hammer. Alright, now that we got the head off, we're going to knock that piece out. Alright, once you've got your head separated from your old handle, what you're going to want to do is get your new handle ready. Some of them come with wedges, but if yours doesn't, you're definitely going to want to keep your old ones. Pop all the wedges out. And directions, we don't need those. We know what we're doing. Alright, so you're going to take your new handle and you're going to slip your old hammer head on there. It's probably not going to go on all the way, but you do want to go down about as far as it'll go. You want to stop before you start cutting up your new handle. Alright, now that we have the head on our handle, I'm going to cut off the excess on handle here at the end of the hammer. You don't have to, depending on how much there is, but there's a good bit here, so I'm going to cut it off. Alright, now that we got that, we're going to put in our wedges. You don't have to use the wooden shim if it doesn't fit, but we are going to be using both of the metal wedges. Now it's starting to rain. Where's my hammer? There we go, new handle on our old sledgehammer. Hey, before you go, I'd like to say a quick word about our website, 9 Diamond Ranch. We have coffee, jam, jelly, and barbecue sauce on there. Check it out, I'm sure you'll like it. All right, that's all for this week's video. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.